Coming into nursing is quite difficult. It's emotionally challenging, there's quite a lot of struggles, and working in community can be particularly isolated. Mia's been quite open about the struggles she had in the early days, struggling with all the difficulties that she had to cope with. But the reason why I nominated Mia was because she embraced that. She kind of took responsibility for helping herself to sort out all the fog that was around her. She went to the young persons group, she got embroiled with yoga, mindfulness, she took up clinical supervision. As a result of the young persons group, she got asked to do a big conversation about how we can better emotionally support newly qualified staff. And that was a really big success. It was really well, came up with some really good ideas. And as a result of that, I asked Mia to come and talk to the newly qualified. So we've extended that big conversation a few times, and she's going to roll it out in the future. As a result of the big conversation, she's got secured green lanyards for newly qualified nurses.
I've nominated our team because we have, over the course of the year, provided a physiotherapy service for staff and LPT. Patients can self-refer, and we can help people get back to work if they've been off, and keep them at work if they're struggling. And we also see people for other conditions which affects their hobbies and their personal lives. We have been working with attending roadshows to provide information on mythbusters and being the best version of yourself. And Holly and Megan have worked to produce the induction video for all staff.
Well, there are lots of people who do wonderful things to care for staff and to make coming to work a healthy thing to do. But I think everybody where I work in CAMS would agree that Annette has been a great leader and a role model. She's for a number of years advocated that our health is the resource that we offer to our patients, and that if we don't look after ourselves and each other, we won't have a lot to offer.
I've nominated our team because we have, over the course of the year, provided a physiotherapy service for staff and LPT. Patients can self-refer, and we can help people get back to work if they've been off, and keep them at work if they're struggling. And we also see people for other conditions which affects their hobbies and their personal lives. We have been working with attending roadshows to provide information on mythbusters and being the best version of yourself. We have a Twitter account which they use to promote health and wellbeing and any information on things that can help keep staff healthy and exercise. And over the Christmas period, we had an advent calendar which gave helpful tips every day of the week. We like to practice what we preach, and over the 70th birthday we decided to have a picnic in the park followed by a rounders game, and it was so successful we held another game in August to include all the staff. That's why I'd like to nominate my team.